Helo, enw fi di Angharad Reiner, fi di cyfarwyddwr safle Trawsfynydd sydd yn rhan o Nuclear Restoration Services. Mae yna nifer o cyfleon oddi fewn Nuclear Restoration Services. Mae'r prentisiaethau yn cychwyn o lefel 2 i fyny lefel 6, sef gradd, a mae'r cyfleon yma yn y maes peirianneg, trydanol, ymbalydredd, ac hefyd yn yr ochr cyllid a mwy. Da ni'n hysbysebu rhain ar yn wefan a hefyd da ni'n hysbysebu fo ar Instagram hefyd. Wel, i gychwyn, mi fyddwch chi'n gweithio ochr wrth ochr efo unigolion sydd efo profiad gweithio yn y diwydiant niwclear. Yn ogystal â hyn, mi fydd yna cymorth gen rheolwr eich tîm ac hefyd cymorth gen yr Early Careers Support. Ar ben hyn i gyd, mae yna amser yn cael ei roi i'r ochr mwyn i chi gallu cwblhau eich gwaith cwrs. Ac ar ben hyn i gyd, mae gen NRS cefnogaeth gyda rhwydwaith pobl ifanc. Mae cyfloga prentisiaeth yn amrywio o 15,000 i 19,000, dibynnu ar y lefel mae rhywun yn cychwyn, sef mae yna lefel 2 neu lefel 6 sydd yn gradd. Maen nhw yn edrych ar y cyflog bob 6 mis ar ôl cychwyn, ac yn ogystal â hynna mae yna codiad cyflog bob blwyddyn yn ystod y prentisiaeth. Mae'n dibynnu beth ydy'r prentisiaid mae'r unigolyn yn wneud, ond mae yna sgiliau allweddol yn dod efo bob un prentisiaid. Hein ydy gweithio fel tîm, gweithio yn ddiogel, sydd yn bwysig iawn i ni yma yn y diwydiant niwclear, gweithio ar draws adrannau, sef cydweithio, a hefyd gallu cyfarthrebu. Yn ogystal â hyn, mae'r unigolion yma yn cael cyfle a profiad i gweithio yn y sector niwclear am 3 mlynedd neu drosodd, wrth cael ei talu ac hefyd ar ei ddiwedd o cael cymhwyster.
My name's Hugh Townley and I work for RWE as a wind turbine technician apprentice. I chose to do an apprenticeship in the low carbon industry because it's a growing industry and I'm also concerned about the future and what the future holds, and I feel like this is a sure way that I can make a bit of an impact. In my daily work, we usually do college studying, so we'll do practical work, and then there's also assignments that we do. So in the practical work, we do a lot of drilling and hands-on stuff, and then assignment work, we do more the health and safety side and the less interesting parts, but it still needs to be done as health and safety is an important part. I'm in college 5 days a week, and then off-term times, I am on site, and we usually do more hands-on stuff there. So actually going up wind turbines and watching the more experienced technicians and engineers do what they do, and also doing a bit of servicing, maintenance on the turbines. The part of the job that I enjoy more is definitely working on the turbines, getting up there, getting some experience. Yeah, there's loads of different things that you can do. It's not just engineering, there's also different parts of it, like RWE do more IT sides and stuff like that to the job, but also being enthusiastic about it and understanding what risk we are at for climate change. What I enjoy most about studying at the college is definitely the practical side. I really enjoy the workshop stuff. So we do a lot of drilling, like filing and stuff that you will actually be doing on site. So it's good to get that experience here. So you need to definitely be a bit of a problem solver, understand issues that are happening and see ways that you can solve them. And then also I'd say you've got to be able to work in a team, because there's a lot of things that require more than one person to do up in the wind turbine. And then also you've got to understand the health and safety risks that there are up in the wind turbine.